Hey, I'm Alex from Marc's Mobility. In this video, we're going to show you a lightweight folding all-in-one scooter by Pride Mobility, so stay tuned. What we have here is the super portable carry-on type scooter by Pride Mobility. This is called the SC15. This is going to fold down. If you pull the battery out, you're at 41 pounds. If you have the battery in there, because they did maximize it at almost up to 12 amps, you are going to be about 49.5 pounds. But if you pull the battery out, which I'll show you here in a second, it's 41 pounds. So what I really like about this unit is the ease and how everything functions. So what you're going to do is you have a yellow tab right here in the back. You're going to go ahead and you're going to lift this tab up. And when you lift that up, you can go ahead and fold the seat down until it clicks in place. You want to make sure your tiller is adjustable in height. You want to make sure your tiller is down. Then you're going to release the front latch. You're going to bring this all the way down and then latch it back into place. It does have interlocking teeth, so once it is designed, once it's locked at the right height, you can go ahead and lock this back in, as so. Now you are able to remove this front basket if you want to get it more compact. You can get it down to about 11 inches in height. I think we were 22 inches, just under 21.5 inches in width. And then the overall length of the unit from the front to the back, I thought was about 37 inches. Yeah, 37 inches. Now what makes this great is you can stand this up, you are able to pivot this, and then you can kind of do one of those, put it on your bumper with a blanket, go grab the back end and slide it in. So that's what's going to be great about this. This is going to be ideal for cruise ships, for traveling, for RVs that need to get in small spaces. It's going to be a really good unit. It's going to go 4.5 miles an hour and up to 11 miles on a full charge, depending on the conditions and the weight of the user. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to bring this back up to a normal seated position. Same thing that you did earlier. You're going to lift that latch, bring it back in, it clicks back in place. Now this unit does have headlights, does have tail lights, which is a pretty cool feature that we'll show you on a video overlay. But what makes this also exciting, not just the weight, but also the functionality and the ease of it. If you want to take the battery out, you go ahead and you slide that battery right out. It's just a little yellow tab. There's no buttons you have to click, nothing hard about it. You can take that out and you can actually charge this right here directly into the back of the battery pack if you want to leave the rest of the scooter inside your means of transportation. To go ahead and put the battery back in, you simply push it in and you lock it back in with that tab. You see you have power because my lights were on when I pulled that battery pack out. Now the seat, these come in either this mint color or they're going to come in black. They are removable cushions inside, so you are able to wash the outer cushion if you want. And it is a spring seat underneath here as well, which is going to give you a really soft, comfortable ride. I did mention the tiller is adjustable in height and in tilt, but what's really cool about these things that's new on the market is you are going to have, I'm going to turn this around so you can see a little better in the video, but this is going to have a magnetic charging port. So this is not magnetic, so if you go along the ground, you're not going to pick up metal. But right here is magnetic. You just get it close in place and it snaps in place. No longer you find the 3 prongs to lock it in. You see with a green light that you are secure and now you are charging the unit. You also have the same magnetic ability right on the battery pack itself. I don't know of anything else in the market that quite does this. This is a lithium charger, so that lithium battery is going to charge fast. It is going to last you a long time as long as you treat the battery properly. So I really believe this is going to be a game changer on the market based on a 4.5 mile an hour top end speed, a 300-pound weight capacity, an airline approved battery, and 41.5 pounds. So if you are looking for something like this, go ahead and look at the description below and then come visit us and give us a call.